Hello and welcome to this edition of Edu Leaders Talk. Today we have with us Mr. Nagendra Goyal, the Deputy Commissioner at the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Mr. Goyal handles the entire academic administration as well as the IT deployment across 1000 Kendriya Vidyalayas in 25 zones across the length and the breadth of the country. Sir, you have got a fantastic building. Just on the entrance, it is really artistic in nature, which is very rare in the city of Delhi. So, would you like to tell us who all and how this idea of decorating the KV building came about?
Yeah, actually, when did it come is really difficult to tell me, but I would like to share that this mural, which has been seen by you there at the entrance, this whole work has been done by one of our art teacher only.
Okay.
Mr. Shakil, he is the drawing teacher in Lucknow. He is a Wardi teacher, and he has done. We have provided the material, and he has done this job.
Okay, okay. That's really fantastic that a teacher of the Kendriya Vidyalaya is doing it across. Sir, we would like you to throw a bit of light about the IT preparedness of the Kendriya Vidyalayas, because IT is something which is saying that future education will be run on IT. So, what all is the IT preparedness of the KV schools?
Yeah, I believe that we are reasonably prepared on as far as IT or e-governance issues are concerned. As far as connectivity of our 1000 Kendriya Vidyalaya, I would like to share that almost every Kendriya Vidyalaya is having its own website. It is connected through broadband or otherwise. So 100% network connectivity is there, and there we are almost all our teachers are actually trained on IT. Through various partners like Microsoft and Intel and other in-house expertise. Most of our teachers are IT friendly, and we are well prepared for that.
What kind of other educational technologies have been deployed across the KV schools?
Yeah, so in addition to these things, I can say we are having well furnished computer labs in all of our Kendriya Vidyalayas, and recently from last 2 years, we are into e-classrooms also. Mm-hmm. So the smart classroom has become the order of the day in Kendriya Vidyalayas also, where interactive board, projectors and other technological devices are there, which are empowering the teachers, and the learning has become more joyful for the children.
So it seems that as far as the IT hardware is concerned, KV is really equipped well. Yeah, what about the teacher generated content? Because learning is a fun in classroom when it is customized as per the needs of that particular geography or as per the need of the particular segment of students which a school represents. So what kind of interventions is KV doing in promoting its teachers to develop their own content, own digital content, yeah, to be displayed or to be disseminated through these IT tools?
Yeah, that's right. So these when we were deploying these e-classrooms and preparing these computer labs, we were also thinking that from where the content has to, what content actually we are going to have over this. Then it was decided that we will be using the expertise of our teachers. Mm-hmm. For various reasons we did it. Firstly, that the teacher should have the ownership over the content. Mm-hmm. Lot of content was available in the market, but we thought that if we use the expertise of our teacher, then that will give the ownership kind of the thing. And moreover, it will be having, we will not be falling into the trap of various other things like we need not to go for the proofreading of the content because it will be made by our own teacher. Mm-hmm. So we need not to go for the scrutiny whether the content is right or not, whether they are telling something wrong or not. So market content, we thought we will not be going for that. And we then distribute this work to our teachers. Various regions were assigned the work, and I am happy that in last 2 years we have developed enough content to present in through these technological tools. Mm-hmm. And we have more than 5,000 teachers had been trained on various kind of the technology tools. Mm-hmm. To create their own content.
So would KV would also be prepared to share this content with lesser privileged schools and teachers across?
Yes, rather continuously people are telling us this actually KV should go beyond also, and we should be helping not only content, even every infrastructure and all other facilities what Kendriya Vidyalaya is having to the people, those who are not having it. So our, we can say, we are moving out. Yeah, we are, but no exact pathway has been defined by now. But definitely we are ready for that. That we will be sharing this content with the people, those who are in this in the system. Moreover, I would like to add into this. You may be knowing that NCERT has come up with NROER. There is a huge repository which has been inaugurated recently by NCERT, and lot of content has been created on that. So we have provided our content to NCERT also, and NCERT is actually further editing and modifying it, and ultimately they will be giving a link of it on their NROER also.
So KV principals and KV teachers are being groomed as including excellent education in their nearby vicinities, like they are being channelized over there.
There is no structured program for this,
Okay.
but however we always feel ki but no, there is a need of it, that we can extend our facilities to the children, those who are not able to get that. And from many many officers, ministry offices, they are saying this, that KB must extend itself to those people, those who are not having those facilities.
Guiding beacon for
Yeah, you are right.
That's fantastic.